Hello children. Today we are going to revise chapter 8 of English Mulberry. Chapter's name is A Big Parcel. Question 1 is put a tick right against the correct answer. A. Whose birthday is it? Whose birthday is it? It is Seema's birthday. We have read the story. It is Seema's birthday. B. What is Seema's father doing? The options given are blowing up balloons, baking a cake, reading the newspaper. Seema's father is blowing up the balloons. So the answer is blowing up balloons. Next question is who rings the doorbell? The options given are Neelam, Ali, the postman. Who rings the doorbell? The postman rings the doorbell because Neelam and Ali were already with Seema in her living room. The postman rings the doorbell. Answer is the postman. Next is who sends the big parcel for Seema? The options given are Seema's aunt, Seema's grandmother, Seema's mother. Who sends the big parcel for Seema? Seema's grandmother. Seema's grandmother has sent Seema a blanket as a birthday present. So the answer is Seema's grandmother. Put a tick right against the sentences that are true and put a cross against those that are false. A. Seema is happy to receive a gift from her grandmother. What do you think? Is Seema happy to receive a gift from her grandmother? Yes, she was happy. So this is right. Put a right here. B. Ali and Neelam also receive gifts from Seema's grandmother. No, Ali and Neelam do not receive gifts from Seema's grandmother. So this is wrong. C. Seema's mother is cooking. What was Seema's mother doing? Seema's mother was hanging ribbons on the wall. So this is false. Put a cross here. Next exercise is jumbled words. Children, you have to learn the spellings well. T-E-T-R-E-L-S. What is the correct word for this? It is letters. L-E-T-T-E-R-S. Learn the spellings well. Next is E-K-C-A. The word is cake. C-A-K-E, cake. C-S-E-N-T-R-E-P. The correct spelling is P-R-E-S-E-N-T, present. The word is present. D. P-P-A-E-R-W-S-E-N. Which word is this? This is newspaper. N-E-W-S-P-A-P-E-R, newspaper. E-L-L-O-N-O-A-B. This is balloon. B-A-L-L BALLOON, balloon. Next exercise is, can you think of describing words that can be used with the following naming words? What are naming words? Naming words are names of persons, place, animal, things or birds. And what are describing words? Describing words are the words that describe naming words. The words which describe or the words which tell something about a naming word are called describing words. A day. You have to write down 2 words which tell us something about day. What type of day? Sunny day, rainy day. These are the 2 describing words, sunny, rainy. Next is flowers. Fresh, colorful. Fresh flowers, colorful flowers. C, food. Tasty, healthy. Tasty food, healthy food. Next exercise is, underline the describing words in the following sentences. You have to underline the describing words. A, the hungry puppy drinks milk. Here the describing word is hungry. How is the puppy? The puppy is hungry. So hungry is the describing word here. B, father bakes sweet cakes. How are the cakes? The cakes are sweet. So sweet is the describing word here. I wrote a long letter to Granny. Long letter. Long is describing word here. D is, it is a sunny day. How is the day? Sunny day. Sunny is the describing word here. E, Danny wiped the dirty toy. Dirty is the describing word here. Word meaning, living room, a room in a house where family members sit together, talk and relax. Patches, small pieces of cloth. Patterns, shapes and colors. Whispers, speaks very softly. Let's revise the question and answers also. Who rings the doorbell? The postman rings the doorbell. What does Seema find inside the blanket? Seema finds a letter inside the blanket. Question 3 is, describe the blanket. Answer is, the blanket is beautiful, soft and cozy. So, we have revised the chapter exercises and question answers and word meanings. Based on the exercise, I have given you some questions in this revision sheet. Question 1 is, whose birthday is it? Seema's or Seema's father's? It is Seema's birthday. Who rings the doorbell? Neelam or the postman? The postman. What does Seema find inside the blanket? A letter, a box. Seema finds a letter inside the blanket. Describe the blanket. It is beautiful, soft and cozy, or it is hard? The blanket is beautiful, soft and cozy. Last question is, the meaning of whispers is dash. The options are speaks very softly, small pieces of cloth. The meaning of whispers is speaks very softly. So children, you have to do this revision sheet in your English 2 copies. Before doing this revision sheet, learn the exercises well. Then only you will be able to answer these. I hope I have revised the whole chapter. Learn the chapter well. Do this revision sheet in your copies. Thank you.